can also pick up a movement or two. What about that? You agree with that? Yeah, come on. Let's do it in slow motion, okay? Let's pretend that, just look at this guy, okay? This is a bad guy, that's a good guy. Okay? So let's see if we can, in slow motion. One. See how he moves around? Okay, that was a very difficult call. Right. See how he moves around again? So basically all the movements that we've been shown here are natural positions of body that combines with rotation as well as positioning yourself around the enemy.